It is Easter weekend and it is time for a productive but family fun weekend. Hey guys, Sarah here from Work Life Glue, where every weekend we do a weekly prep video where we take you along on our weekend, show you the fun, show you the more practical stuff. It is Easter weekend, so I'm still trying to figure out even when we're gonna meal prep. But Sam works today, I've got the girls, we're gonna do some errand running and an Easter egg hunt this morning. We've got family coming tonight, and then obviously Easter Sunday tomorrow with family. Out of the house, at the car wash before 8 o'clock. Starting our day off right with the car wash. Woo! There's the rainbow, so pretty. Bridie's never done a car wash, so this should be interesting. Car washes, torturing toddlers, they were invented. Here, bug. Here you go. Put it in. There you go. Good. Yummy. Just got back and I am utterly exhausted. I try to cram so much into Saturday mornings. Went to Target, got some random stuff. We're gonna get produce on Monday because I'm off Monday. Went to Old Navy, I got some pants, and I got some shorts at Target too. I may return one or two, but I got 3 pairs of pants and 1 pair of shorts, a tank top, and then this was only $2 at Old Navy for Celia. And I looked everywhere at Target, Sam checked at Walmart. This was the only, literally the only white cardigan they had at Target. And luckily it was Celia's size because I need one for Easter. And I was thinking, Target, you're a Minnesota-based company. You know Easter is still like a cold time of year a lot of the time. And so why wouldn't they have cardigans, especially a white cardigan? Don't a lot of kids wear a white cardigan on Easter? They had like no sweaters at all for kids. I was very disappointed. And Sam recently went grocery shopping and got 5 bags of these and 5 of the jalapeno ones because these are so expensive in stores. It's literally just cheese. And they are 0 carb. They are a great keto snack. Okay, it's 1 o'clock exactly. I just got the table kind of set up. We're working with what we have. I'm having my parents over tonight and possibly my brother, depending on when he's coming into town. But my mom's hosting Easter tomorrow, and I said, you know, maybe you guys should come over tonight. I don't want to come over and then make you have to cook 2 days in a row. So why don't you come over tonight? And I also have a pergola that I want my dad to help me put together because Sam's working super late today. So it's hard to find time. Here it is. And so we'll see what gets done of that, but I want to get the table set up. I have 2 videos I want to film, and Saturdays are usually my filming days while the girls are sleeping. They fell right asleep. I think they were exhausted as I am. So I'm gonna get those videos filmed and then hopefully I'll have a little time to rest myself. You guys, I have had, I don't think you can tell, I don't know if it's doing it right now. My left eye has been twitching on and off like a few times an hour for a couple weeks now. And I'm taking the girls into their like 12-month or 18-month and 4-year appointment on Monday. And so I'm gonna ask the doctor while I'm there, but my eye has been twitching and I'm like fearing the worst, but it's probably just like lack of sleep and stress. But I don't feel like extra tired or extra stressed, so I don't know why all of a sudden it's been twitching, but it makes me feel like crazy. Like it's not very noticeable to anybody else, but when it's happening, like it's very annoying to me. I don't know, makes me feel like you know, like I'm like crazy and like I don't know, like I'm just falling apart. These pesky hairs, why? I'm here in our bedroom. It's about 2:30. Praying Celia doesn't wake up. I'm gonna be putting together their Easter baskets. So I did a whole video on these. I will link below. But I'm gonna be adding 2 extra things and then these bunny ears that we picked up at Target for the girls. Celia has totally, we've read through the the beginner Bible, I think it's called, like, seriously, I don't know, 10 times maybe, because we read a story or two every time she lays down, so nap and bedtime. And so we got her this new Jesus Storybook Bible, which has a lot more detail and longer stories, and I think Bryony can have the other one, and now Celia can move on to this one. And then Sam picked her up that she loves LOL dolls, and so this is like a little special Imagine ink where things are revealed when you do it. So we're gonna put that in there as well. So I'm gonna try to get these ready. So tonight I just have to pull them all out. Okay, they are ready to go. I already filmed a video on these, but basically I like to buy things that I wanted to buy for them anyway, and not buy a bunch of junky things and not a ton of candy. We do have some candy. This is candy, this is candy, this is candy, this is candy, and then I got these juices for the girls. Band-Aids they love. I had somebody comment like, oh my gosh, I'd be so mad if I got Band-Aids. Every kid I know is obsessed with Band-Aids, and they like getting hurt just so they can get a Band-Aid. But there's some books, things I've been wanting to buy anyway. Some of these 5-minute stories I've been wanting to buy anyway. I got them each a little flower, our fairy garden stuff. I wanted to buy these for Bryony anyway, and she loves these finger puppets. And then these are things I wanted to get for the daycare anyway, but we're just gonna say it's for Easter. So these little brain flakes and these animal pattern blocks. Finally beautiful here in Minnesota. Girls are gonna play. My parents are coming in about an hour. I'm gonna go look in the garage for some stuff because I'm gonna do a garage sale with a friend in a couple weeks. So I just want to kind of see what we have to donate. Just doing sand tables, waiting for Nana and Grampy to come. I went through the garage and it's too hard with these two running around. This is what I constantly struggle with when Santa's gone. Like, there's so much I want to do, but they need me. Well, Celia's okay with playing on her own. It's just Bryony is eating sand. She's falling all the time. Like, she's just at that age where she has to be watched better. And if Sand's not here, like, it's really hard to get anything done when they're both awake. So it's a struggle. But as we're waiting for my parents, and so I'm trying to like have quality time, but I just have a hard time playing with them for a long period of time. Like, it's just not my thing. I guess, yeah, I like coloring with them, but Bryony's not at a good age for that right now. Let me know if you guys struggle with this. But we're hoping, here's kind of our backyard layout. We've got this like more paved patio area, and then we've got the more solid, I mean, it needs to be mud jacked and stuff eventually, but it's not in the budget right now. I want to put the new pergola, I think here. It's a lot bigger, but it'll be blocking these windows, like at the best light in the whole house. But it would be nice to have 2 shaded areas for the kids because I don't have any trees back here, and it's shaded in the afternoon, but it is not shaded at all in the morning. I don't need it. So I'm just kind of planning. What I really would like to do is get like either a sectional or a couch and 2 chairs. Honey, I don't need my phone. Thank you though. I'm so worried. I don't know. So I'm just trying to budget it all and pick the best one for your buck and decide what we want to do. If my dad helps me put that pergola up, at least that'll help me kind of know where we're putting it at least. And yes, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grills and smokers out here, and I think there might be one in the garage. I don't even know. San has a crazy obsession. Nana and Grampy to the rescue. I am loving this, you guys. Happy Easter! Go check it out. Find the letter. Find yours. One has a B on the side. Oh, that has a B. So whose is that? One. Does that one have a C on the side? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. We share these. Yep. Oh yay! So the people who said naysayers about Band-Aids, Bryony won't let us look at anything else. What's in there? Jelly beans. Seals, what was the thing you were really excited about? Show us. A new Bible. So you're getting big for your other one. Wow. A very healthy breakfast this morning.
What?
Juice, I'm teasing. Are you getting your fairy garden set up? How you're gonna do it? We guys still have to get a planter and stuff. We'll do that when it's a little nicer out. Rainy's drinking her juice. So it's 7:30 now, and we gave the girls a bath because they really needed one, but I wanted them to be fresh in the morning because I knew they'd be eating candy in the morning. So we just laid Bryony down for a little nap, hoping she'll get a little bit of sleep before we go because girl needs it. Celia's just playing. She's got her Easter outfit on, and it's amazing how quickly a house can become a disaster. San is folding some laundry, and I'm gonna go get dressed. Went to put laundry away, came back, and Celia had used the Band-Aids as stickers. He little stinker. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. Something I've been wanting to get Celia and the daycare for quite a while. It's got all these different animal scenes. And then you just match the shapes. I absolutely love this. It's great learning and just great fun. And they're really good quality wooden. And I like that they can all fit back in the box. Cute. Okay, Miss Bryony is ready. Can't do a bow or anything in her hair because she rips it out. Celia's just about ready. I gotta do her hair. I'm ready. San's ready. And I'm just gonna pack our bag with some backup outfits just in case. Got Bryony's sleep sack, her monkey that she sleeps with and is obsessed with, and her binky. I'd like to read this book to the girls at my parents' house, and then I just brought this for Celia because she's really loving it. Are you excited?
What do we got?
Easter?
What'd you get?
We're at Nana's house for your tea parties.
You got bunnies. There's
What else is there? Someone's not waking up from her nap.
Sarah's unloading all the goodies from Easter. We got some books.
We
got
made
some
it
bunny ears.
without the back.
Yeah, we did. And then we got that one over there with her monkey. She's arguing with Alexa, and we were just gonna have a night to kind of unwind. It was awesome.
1 hour
It's
till
really good.
bedtime.
Yep.
Oh man. Still need to wash my makeup off. I just took a shower. It's only 7:20 and both girls are completely crashed and out at like 6:20. I was like, okay, bedtime. They were just losing their bleep, you know?
Yeah.
And so we're like, it's time for bed. And Celia was asleep with like her pillow on top of her face. I just moved it,
good.
but yeah, they're out. So I showered. We're just gonna hang out. I have decided my birthday is June 3rd and keto's been really hard. I'm gonna go talk to my doctor tomorrow with the girls and just talk to her about some hormonal things and stuff like that since I've stopped nursing and some other things, and talk about weight loss and stuff like that because I'm gonna go super hard keto till my birthday. The only day I can cheat, I just told him,
Mother's Day.
is Mother's Day, and that's if I'd even decide to, but I just need to get really serious. Summer is like here. It was 80 degrees today. We literally had 2.5 days of school closed.
Last week,
like this, not the week we just had, but the week before. And now it was 80 degrees on Easter. So crazy, but I want to get in shape. I want to feel better. And this summer I plan to be doing lots of walks with the girls once we don't have so many. I have so many trainings and interviews and stuff at night this week and probably coming up, but once the summer really hits, there's gonna be really nothing. So looking forward to that. I hope you guys all had a really happy Easter. We sure did. We're tired. It was wonderful. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.